Hi, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shazadi. Today, we bring something sweet, creamy, and citrusy. Orange cream cake designs, perfect for any sunny occasion or when you are carving something fresh and fruity. Let's dive into classic. The first one is classic orange cream cake, moist vanilla sponge laid with whipped orange cream and topped with cheese, timeless and tasty. The next is orange ombre cake, radiant orange to white buttercream with soft swell textures and orange veggie toppers. The next is citrus drip cake, white base with orange glaze dripping down the side. Finish it with candied orange slices. The next is fresh orange bento cake, mini round cake with smooth cream, orange peel curl, and a fresh citrus scent. Simple and cute. The next is orange and white floral cake, floral piping with delicate orange tones, roses made of buttercream, elegant for any occasion. The next is tall layered orange ring cake, multiple sponge layers filled with orange cream covered in swirl of citrus frosting and sprinkles. The next is orange cream swirl cake, marble pattern inside and outside with orange and vanilla rich in flavor and color. The next is yeast cupcake tower, orange cream cupcake stake into a cake shape with matching wrapper and yeast dust on top. The next is orange cream cheesecake, light sponge filled with orange flavor, cream cheesy, frosting topped with dried orange slices. The next is mini heart orange cake, heart shaped orange cake with a shining glaze and white whipped cream, flour on top, perfect for gifting. The next is citrus nut cake, bare sponge edges with orange cream showing through, rustic and fresh. The next is orange cream rosette cake, covered with orange with white and white pipe rosette, eye-catching and fluffy. The next is creamy orange tiramisu cake, layers of orange syrup stock sponge with mascarpone cream, Italian twist with the citrus touch. The next is orange candy topped cake, decorated with orange hard candies, zest swirl, and whipped cream. Lob, fun and festive. The next is orange frosted sheet cake, simple rectangular cake with smooth orange buttercream and piped cream borders. Great for parties. Which cake was your favorite and made your mouth water? Let us know in the comment below. And if you love cake ideas or videos like this, give us a like, tap the subscribe button for uh, Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas like this. Share this video with your baking buddy. Stay sweet, stay tasty. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself and your family member and your loved ones. Share your love or feeling by baking a cake which you like the most. Stay tuned with us. See you in the next. Goodbye.